And we cut across to more breaking news coming in. Congress has supported Amritpal Singh. This is the latest we are just picking up, as former Punjab Chief Minister has said that 20 lakh Indians have chosen Amritpal Singh to power. Yes, this is the statement that has been made by the former Punjab Chief Minister on Amritpal Singh, where he's gone on to say that 20 lakh Indians have chosen Amritpal Singh. And yes, this is the Congress that has come out in support of Khalistani Amritpal Singh, where the Congress leader has openly batted for Amritpal Singh. Yes, Amritpal Singh did win in the Lok Sabha elections, as he had emerged victorious, but after the massive backlash over his deeds and how he could possibly be chosen as a parliamentarian, this is the Congress that has gone on to support separatist Amritpal Singh. In fact, a former Congress chief minister is what we are learning, who's gone on to make a statement saying that 20 lakh people have come in support of Amritpal Singh. Executive Editor Politics Aishwarya Kapoor will join us shortly to give us more details on this statement that has been made and what the larger leadership has to say as far as this particular statement is concerned. Is the top leadership also of the same view is the big question now, but this is the Congress that is openly batting for Amritpal Singh, and while we'll also play out that detailed statement, in fact, a former Punjab Chief Minister who's gone on to state that 20 lakh Indians have chosen Amritpal Singh, and that is for a reason. Separatist Amritpal Singh, who is now seeing open support from the Congress party, and this is the exact statement that has been made by former Punjab Chief Minister. We are yet to get more details on the same, and also what this really means as far as the view of the top leadership is concerned. Are Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also in support of this statement? But here the Congress facing a lot of embarrassment as they are openly batting for Amritpal Singh. We also await further reactions from the BJP on this. Let me cut across to Shavan at the moment, who joins us from the newsroom to take us through further details. Over to you, Shavan.
Well, on the floor of the parliament, you have had the former Chief Minister of Punjab openly backing Amritpal Singh. This is what he says. 20 lakh Indians have supported Amritpal Singh, and that is the reason why the Congress party is openly backing. Let's now tell you who exactly is Amritpal Singh, a separatist who has called for a separate Khalistan. This is the same person who, even after taking oath on the floor of the parliament, had called for a separate state. That has been his long-standing demand. Remember, Republic TV had highlighted this very fact, that you have had a separatist who has been openly calling for gun violence, who has been brandishing swords on the streets of Punjab. He is the same very person who is now being backed by the Congress party. A question that was asked to the Shiromani Akali Dal too and the other political parties in the state of Punjab, whether at all they support what Amritpal Singh has been espousing all this while. It is now very clear that the Congress party is openly backing. This is on the floor of the parliament. We're going to play that soundbite in a short while from now, but it's very clear about this mindset that emerges of the Congress party. Remember, when Amritpal Singh had vandalized police stations in the state of Punjab, and the very fact that there were killings that had taken place, several people were injured, it was Amritpal Singh who was behind it. And that is the reason why against him some of the stringent sections have been invoked. He is currently behind bars in judicial custody, a case that was registered against him by the National Investigation Agency. A man who has openly called for a separate state. Breaking India has been the agenda of Amritpal Singh. And the Congress party has now come in full support of Amritpal Singh, that too on the floor of the parliament. You've had the former Chief Minister, none other than the former Chief Minister of Punjab, a senior leader of the Punjab Congress, openly backing Amritpal Singh. A while ago, remember the Congress, when they were asked this question in Punjab, whether at all they support the candidature of Amritpal Singh, they were completely silent. Amritpal Singh contested as an independent parliamentarian as an independent candidate from Khadur Sahib. Remember, this is the very constituency. In the past too, you've had Shiromani Akali Dal too contesting from this very constituency. Amritpal Singh has had the backings of several organizations in Khadur Sahib. When a question was actually asked to the Congress party as to whether at all they're going to oppose the candidature of Amritpal Singh, they were completely silent. Now it is clear that there is a tacit understanding between the Congress party and perhaps the independent parliamentarian Amritpal Singh, who is behind bars, currently lodged in a jail in Dibrugarh, that too for calling for a separate state, Suesha. We'll try and play out some of the reactions that are also coming in. Let's try and put that soundbite of the former Chief Minister of Punjab, who said this on the floor of the Parliament, that 20 lakh Indians have been supporting Amritpal Singh.
Oh yes, absolutely, Shravan. And while we await those political reactions, it's extremely important to how this may snowball in the political arena, given the fact that we also await what the BJP has to say. And most importantly, is the top leadership of the Congress also in support of this statement that has been made by the former Punjab Chief Minister? Do they support Amritpal Singh is the big question, because this will also clear the narrative as far as the whole Khalistani movement is concerned and what the Congress actually feels. But this statement that has created quite a controversy, Shravan, at the moment, as he actually went on to say that on the floor of the House.
Well, this is a question that we will be asking the Congress parliamentarians in the Parliament in a short while from now, because remember, in the past too, when this question was actually asked, the Congress was surprisingly silent on this entire matter. They've all been in the garb of saying that under the People's Representation Act, a person is allowed to contest. In the garb of that particular section, you've had the Congress party and several other opposition parties remaining completely silent. But now the bigger picture is emerging, that there is a tacit understanding at the end of the day with this independent parliamentarian. Let's play out the soundbite. This is what the former Chief Minister of Punjab, a senior Congress leader, had to say, that too on the floor of the Parliament.
आपत्ति है और द्वारा 20 लाख लोगों द्वारा पंजाब में मेंबर पार्लियामेंट चुना गया और वो एनएस से लगाकर अंदर रखा हुआ है। फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, उसकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी के लोगों की बात यहां नहीं रख पा रहे, ये भी इमरजेंसी है। द्वारा 20 लाख लोगों द्वारा पंजाब में मेंबर पार्लियामेंट चुना गया और वो एनएस से लगाकर अंदर रखा हुआ है। फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, उसकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी के लोगों की बात यहां नहीं रख पा रहे, ये भी इमरजेंसी है। द्वारा 20 लाख लोगों द्वारा पंजाब में मेंबर पार्लियामेंट चुना गया और वो एनएस से लगाकर अंदर रखा हुआ है। फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, उसकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी के लोगों की बात यहां नहीं रख पा रहे, ये भी इमरजेंसी है।